Guys, this is the Central Park Station. I think ito talaga literally is a Central Park. Naka-reach na tayo sa taas. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa Central Park Station. Actually, naghahanap kami ng Don Donki. Meron silang mga Don Donki dito. Don Donki is like Don Quixote, the famous Don Quixote of Japan, where you can buy a lot of stuff, mga food, pasalubong, souvenirs, you know, the things that you need at home. Basically, pang turista talaga yun sa Japan. And meron din dito sa Kaohsiung sa Taiwan. And right now, bumaba tayo sa Central Park Station. Okay? And as you can see, we are surrounded by trees because from the name itself, this is a Central Park. Okay, very modern ang Kaohsiung. Okay, baka mahulog tayo. Ayan, no? So, what I also noticed in Kaohsiung is that hindi sila mahilig sa mga skyscrapers, no? They have very generous green spaces, parks sa different areas ng cities nila. Okay, but despite of not having so super or a lot of skyscrapers na talagang matataasan like the Taipei 101 in Taipei, in terms of infrastructure for transportation, fast mobility, definitely Kaohsiung has it, and it would be really convenient for you to travel here as a tourist. So bayang lang tayo guys. So right now naglalakad na tayo dito sa Kaohsiung Central Park. And may mga canopy ng mga puno dito para fresh pa rin tayo bago tayo dumating sa airport later, because our flight is at around 8 p.m. And one thing we notice here in Kaohsiung, yung transportation is affordable. Pinakamababa sa isang single journey ticket sa MRT nila is 10 ba? 10, no? 10 NTD. Okay, NTD is I think that's the abbreviation of their currency, the Taiwanese dollar. Not sure if it's New Taiwan dollar, NTD. Okay, and then also mababa din yung fare sa Uber. So if you want some yung mga kagaya ng Grab, there's no Grab here. What they utilized in Taiwan, not just in Kaohsiung, is Uber. So if you're going here, better install Uber and connect your card, but you can also pay cash, no? So mura, no? So kung lalo ngayon it's summer, napakainit talaga, same sa weather natin sa Philippines. So kung ayaw nyo mainitan dahil humid din dito ay matindi, then definitely you can take the Uber, no? We also noticed that establishments here, they open late, no? So better buy your stuff, like for example, gusto nyo kumain ng breakfast, nasanay kayo sa breakfast sa atin sa Philippines, nagre-rice na mga silog, no? Unfortunately hindi lahat bukas. May mga coffee shop, cafe na open, but obviously they offer coffee and bread, pastries. But gusto mo ng yung talagang Filipino way of enjoying your breakfast, better buy it from 7-Eleven. So 7-Eleven, Family Mart are also convenient here. You can buy food, healthy food, a lot of options, and drinks as well. And of course, highly recommended yung kanilang Taiwan sausage or hot dog. Iba yung lasa ng sausage dito. And may squirrel dyan sa puno. Kinukuha na ni Mark, squirrel yan. Medyo malabo kasi I think naka-cinematic yata ako. So guys, ang Kaohsiung ay very famous sa kanyang port, seaport. Okay? It really blossomed based on its history because of its trading port, you know, mga ships and coming from China kasi pinakamalapit sa kanila, Japan as well. So expect nyo na yung hangin dito is really, of course, you know, yung hangin na nanggagaling din sa air from the sea. So talaga mabilis kang mangingitim, no? Lalo sa summer. So put more and use sunblock when you go here, but better bring umbrellas, you know? Kasi nga kagaya niyan, mainit right now, pero pagdating ng gabi, uulan, but relatively mainit siya pag summer. Well, right now it's August, so could be ito na talaga yung weather nila, no? Dito sa Kaohsiung. So guys, since wala tayong masyadong mahanap na mabibila ng mga souvenirs na pwede nating iuwi, well, kaya nga sinabing souvenir, na dito tayo pupunta sa Don Donki. So guys, ito na tayo sa Don Donki. Okay, so bumili tayo ng food. It's 160 NTD dito sa Don Donki. Actually, this is a Japanese mall, so that's why most of the retail stores kainan are Japanese, no? And since for a lack of a better choice, dito na lang kami kakain kasi we don't have enough time at mainit sa labas. So Mark ay bumibili lang ng drinks over there. So, dito kami bumili ng food. And ito is 160 NTD. Ciao! Guys, pupunta tayo sa largest mall ng Kaohsiung, which is Dream Mall. So, nag-transfer tayo from the MRT going to the LRT. And so, this is by tawag dito, kita mo siya. Guys, ito yung nilang ticket vending machine. So, pwede dito single journey kung wala kayong easy card. And this is the station. Teka lang. Ay, dito yata tatap. May tatap na ba dito? So guys, this is the largest mall in Kaohsiung, the Dream Mall. park tayo dito. Magkakadugtong naman eh. Ito medyo modern na itsura dito. So guys, nandito na tayo sa airport. At pabalik na tayo Manila. Hi guys, nandito na tayo sa departure, sa boarding gate ng Kaohsiung International Airport. So, tapos na tayo sa check-in, tapos na tayo sa immigration. Napakabilis kasi wala masyadong pasahero. So, I think it's because hindi pa to talaga tourist spot na, puntahan ng mga turista right now. But I think that's a good news because very smooth ang travel dito as of now. Hindi rin masyadong maraming foreign tourists na nakasama kami or na-encounter while exploring the city of Kaohsiung. So if you guys have time and if you're on a budget, I think Kaohsiung is a good place to travel for vacation and leisure as well. I think for like 2 to 3 days pwede na. So ito ang morning gate. Hey guys, so we were able to buy pasalubong and we find the Kaohsiung International Airport cute, very colorful. Mag-enjoy yung mga bata dito, and kahit hindi siya ganun kalaki, pero cute yung mga interiors niya.